What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Happy Friday the 13th to you. Market up or down? It was down, but basically a rounding error. You can see if you go to the weekly, it's the end of the week. Pretty much a nothing week. 0.59%. But the week prior was 0.87%. So between the 2 weeks, pretty much nothing. Just going sideways. I think that's important to talk about because people think black or white, it's very simple, up or down, but really when you scan out, we're not doing anything, and we're not crashing either. So we're above all the averages. Everything's cool. We're just going sideways a bit. Nice easy day. Let's hit the brokerage up, and you can see we have a lot of upkeep on the spreadsheet. So let's go ahead and get into that. I'm gonna go kind of quick, just to get the video over with. 145.66 for J&J. 45.66. Good fill. Very nice. 70.17 for Voya. Check. 111.82 Exxon. Check. 44.53 Portland. Check. 131.41 for Nucor. Check. 90.16 for OMC. Check. Last one, 68.85 for CE. Check. All right. So we've got some that are ready to pretty much roll, but everything is kind of just doing its thing, right? So the market is down, and we have cash. So without overthinking anything, we've got all of our day trades. Let's just go through the normal trading plan. And this is a good opportunity for you folks to work on your trading plan. Make sure you write it down so you can reference it. But first things first is we're going to start buying this stuff up if it's on the screener from smallest to largest. And that's kind of the idea. Let's see how much we get with this stuff. Quite a bit. So this one's close. This one's actually more than this one now, right? Nope. All right, so we're in order. So first thing we're looking for is POR. And let's check out the screener. There it is, Portland. We're just going to make sure everything's good. Dividends, debt, fees. We just bought it the other day. 44.48. And it's basically exactly where we bought it before. No big deal. It's kind of exciting though. We have an opportunity here to really get things going here. You can really move the entire account when you have the entire account in, right? But nobody knows what's going to happen to markets. We're just kind of being prepared here. So we're going to take one share. Remember, we try to keep the position size to 1% of the account. And buy one, hopefully sell two of them. We want that 44.48 limit order, good till cancel with extended hours always. And we need a sell price, right? So if you add these up, divide by 2, that's your average. Take that number times 1.01. That's the sell target that I like. So pause the video. You can do it for all of these. You see what's on the screener. Pause the video and actually do it for yourself. That's how we learn. But I'm going to rip through this because I'd like to enjoy my Friday. I'm going to rip it. That is day trade potential number 1. They can go buy and sell in the after hours. Crazy things can happen. So just keep that in mind. Basically anything that we've got. Excellent boy. We need to look to make sure we don't have day trades in. So that's all three of our day trades because we have CE, OMC, and then now this one. We have three. Okay, so we got to really watch that stuff. Next one, ExxonMobil. So we just need to see if it's on the screener, and if it is, we'll do our best here. Just make sure that everything's up to speed. Should be. We just bought it the other day, and it is. Dividends, low debt, reasonable PEs, 110.84. I get a little uneasy that I can't put all of the sell orders in. I really like to have the sell orders in, but I understand it's part of the process. When you're moving this much money, um, you're limited, you know. So we'll just do a buy order and just keep things moving. I'm just going to take one share, and you can see it won't take long for us to run out of money. 110.84 limit order, good till cancel, extended hours, and we're going to ship it. 110.84 on the fill, which is good. That allows us to potentially put a sell order in on Monday. So back to the spreadsheet. Next, we're looking for Nucor Steel. Nucor Steel. There it is. Dividends, low debt, reasonable PEs, 125.25. Pretty big drop here for Nucor. It doesn't worry me. It's part of the system, and that does explain the purpose of the deposit. Money has to flow in to keep you moving. You know, it's just like when it gets cold out, you let the faucet drip. Limit order, good till cancel, extended hours. We're looking for 125.25, and we're going to ship it. Start looking, see, we're going to get close to running out of money. We've got $107 left. 125.25 was the fill. So let's go back and see what the next one is. Boya, we've got plenty of money if it's on the screener. It is. Little financials. Dividends, reasonable debt, low PEs, 69.83. And remember, we are using math as our market advantage here. So that's why we prefer to buy stuff we already have. You shouldn't think of it as, oh, wow, we're buying a loser, you know, because that's the way most people take a look at it. But we know the companies have good long-term prospects. They've got a history of making money, right? And they share their earnings with the owners, the shareholders. So all of those are very important, and those make those candidates for the system. 69.83. You can see it's a little different here, right? They're trying to get you on the mid here. Yep, 69.83. The computer is doing its normal thing here. So limit, good till canceled, extended hours. and we'll send it. So now we're down to $37. So what I'm going to do is just go to the screener and see if we got anything about 37 bucks. If not, that'll be into the end of the video, and we'll move on with our week here. So here's the price over here. Nothing for 37. We have 37.45 for Dino. Do we have 37.45? We sure do. Welcome to the team. I'm not holding back any money. I'm just following the system. I'm not borrowing money. I'm not trying to go, add more money so that way I can average down a bad position. I'm just following the system with the cash flow we already got, and that's it. Don't make it harder than what it is. It's not that hard. Just one share. 37.45. Limit order. Good to cancel with extended hours. And remember, we'll have the deposit hit the account on Monday. I think it posts on Tuesday. It takes it some time. We got her down to 47 cents. All the money in, order wise, anyways. And you can start to see we've got a lot of movement going on. So that's what we have for today. It was action packed. The market did nothing, but we had opportunity here. We did make some sales. We're close to adding to the investing account. That'll be the passive. And look for one of two things on Monday. Either this is a cool opportunity for us to make a lot of money really quick, or the videos will slow down and we'll just wait for the deposits and the dividends to put us back in the game. So that's all we have. If you're still here, make sure you hit the like button. Make sure you're subscribed and share this with your friends. We're all-time highs. I don't know why people get interested in the market at all-time highs. It's not the best time, but they do. So maybe a time to have a conversation with your friends if they're into the stock market. And that's what we got. I may do some bonus ripping on the second channel if you're into sports cards and magic cards down below. And we did win the lottery. So I put a short out this morning, so check that out if you're interested in that. And we'll be looking to just keep pushing. So thanks again for watching, and we'll try it again next week.